Well, here we are installing the lathing for underdeck roofing, one board at a time. Here we're going to split a 2x4, make a 2x2 out of it. We start out with a 2x2 to a 2x4 to a 2x6. That gives it 5.5 inches of fall. A lot of screws to put in there. Right up to the 2x2. Toenail the 2x4. The 2x6 is attached to the post and the floor joist. And there won't be one up at the edge under that rain apron there for that door track, but there will be, as you'll see, some J-channel. Get the J-channel in around it. Using a nail gun because I'm a little bit lazy. And plus it's hard to get it under that rain apron for that door tracking. There's our metal. We started to use some used metal, but we decided to go get some new metal. That first sheet had to be lined up real well. And the second sheet, here we go. Sound's turned down on this, so we're talking over it. Watch it work. Should work. Should have brought us a chair. 11.5 from the center, on the center. Right here. 36 will be about right there. Going in track, it ain't even going in track. Okay, then we got to cut it off. All right. It's on. Wash your deck, you won't have to worry about getting everything wet under it. Okay, people, I put this, or we did, we put this metal up here, and as you'll see in a short video here in a minute, to keep the water coming off the roof. So right here it's dripping right now where she's watered her plants at the low end, and we're very pleased with it. We did a fair job, and I want to explain to you why I put the metal on upside down. These ribs here, each one of them is where I put the screws up in the ribs. When I did that, there's a reason out here. I'll show you in just a second.
Good.
All right. So here we are, looking at the metal, a couple of pieces. This one is how you would put it on the roof right here, and this one's how you would put it up on. Most people put it up on the bottom. The reason I put it on and screwed the screws up through here is it gives it all this distance here for this water to come out, just like it would if it's on top of the roof. Putting it upside down, it lets the water run down on each side and down and out. If I didn't, with this piece of roof, and I put it on the other way, water would be able to come out here, here, and here, and there, just like that on across it. And that's all you would have. When you go up again your 2x4 or your 2x6 or your 2x2, it would not have much room for the water to come out. If you put it on this way, you've got all that room for the water to come out of there. And if trash gets under the thing, under the porch or under the deck, it will always have more chance of coming out this way than it ever would this way. And it'd stay up on the urns, stinking, mold. So that's the reason we did it. So it's pretty simple. So y'all have a good day.